Good morning all. I Dr. Evit Rukmane from Sharad Institute of Technology College of Engineering. As per seen last lecture we have seen the execution of experiment number 1, that is installation of Python and simple addition, subtraction, multiplication and division program. Now in this lecture we are going to see about experiment number 2. That is the aim of this experiment: write a program to purposefully raise the indentation error and correct it. As per the earlier lecture or past lecture, we have seen indentation is a most important part in a Python programming. Okay, indentation. What actually for the indentation? We will see in details. We are required for the software hardware requirement, that is a Python 3.6 version. That means whatever version available on your system you can use directly. Description of this experiment: most of programming languages like C, C++, Java use of the braces. To define a block of code, Python uses a indentation. Just like C, C++ and Java program uses of that curly bracket. These are the curly brackets of the most of the programming. Okay, but to define a block of code. But in Python, we are using block of code defining using for the indentation. What actually indentation? Indentation is just like a white space. That is a definition given here. A code block, that is a body of function, loop, etc. start with the indentations. That means those are programming your code of block, body of function and loops. Suppose you are defining any one function, you are defining any one loop in your program. Start with the indentation that and end with the first unindent line. That is, amount of indentation is depend on our side, but it be consistent throughout that block. Generally, in Python, 4 white spaces are used for indentation and is preferred over a tabs. The enforcement of indentation in Python makes the code look neat and clean. This results into Python programs that look similar to consistent. Incorrect indentation will result into indentation error. Okay, just with indentation error in you C and C++, if you want to some decorative of your program, you just like assign for the white space printing of sub message. Okay, all you for the you curly bracket used for in C, C++ and Java program. But in Python program, you want to some space given, some space using your body of function and loops. That time you need to create of the given the indentation. What is indentation? Indentation simply meaning of that is a white space. In this, see this code following program. What happened here? One variable define a equal to 10 and another variable define b equal to 5. Now, output of this addition of these two variables, that is a c equal to a plus b, you defining in one variable, that is a c variable, store the addition in c and finally print c. Now in this case what will happen, you are given the this space, see here, those are I am highlighting this space you are given here. Okay, whatever you given in intentionally or mistakenly, okay, that is automatically display the error in your programming. But because interpreter, this is called as indentations. Python just not want to such type of a space in your program. This is your simple program, write down in line to line. Just like what is the error occur, such type of error occur. That is unexpected indent. See here, you define a equal to 10, b equal to 5, c equal to a plus b. That means this space is provided here. Finally print c, error message display unexpected indent. Okay, that means how do you actually program write down? That means without indentation. That is a equal to 10, b equal to 5, c equal to a plus b, print c. That means in this way, suppose you are write the program c, that means no indentation required for this program. That is a title given here, program without indentation error. In this program what actually happen, a equal to 10, b equal to 5 and c equal to a plus b. This c equal to a plus b you directly define bottom of this b. That means no space available here. That means indentation error not occur. See here, in this program what happen, there is a indentation, that is a space is given, automatically indentations occur. Also we are in b second line, there is a b is also given your some space, white space. Okay, that is the indentation. That is the indentation message display unexpected indent. Okay. Then see, suppose you don't want to indentation directly, you write down program this. Output displays just like this. The addition of 10 plus 5 that you display, that is a 15. Okay, that is a today experiment, that is the indentation. Indentation is a very important part in your Python programming. Just like in conclusion, student of the get the knowledge of installing, executing program Python, and also for the indentation play vital role in Python. Okay, in this way you can for attainment of the PO, that is a map of PO CO1, that student can do PO1, PO2, PO3, PO4, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12 and PSO 1, 2, 3. Okay, now these are the theoretical we have seen. Now we will see actually practical. Okay, in practical we want to first start of the your Python. Here Python available version, that is ITL Python 3.6.3. Click on this particular Python version. Window is open. That is a just like you have already seen experiment number 1, that Windows is open, Python 3.6.4. Then after that you are when launch that version display here, that is a December 19, 2017. Okay, after that you go to for your file, open the new file. Okay, in new file you type a equal to 5 and b equal to 6. Okay, then after that c equal to a plus b. That means you want to taking two variables. First variable taking a equal to 5, second variable that is a b equal to 6, and then finally store that addition c equal to a plus b. Finally print of that c, that is a type of here print in bracket c. Okay, now see, in this example you are seeing this is your simple same program we have seen in last first lecture also. Okay, but we will see here second experiment, that indentation, how indentation occur in this program. Okay, first we are execute this program as it is. This is execute or not. After that we have see the indentation. If suppose any space available or not, indentation to occur or not. Okay, first we will execute this program. That means execution of go to your for run modules, then for run module F5. First source must be saved. Then click on OK. You say on suppose make one folder on your desktop. Okay, enter. Make one folder on desktop. Give a name Python program. Open that and save program experiment number 2, that is indentation indentation.py. You know every Python program save in .py extension, that is indentation.py. Save this program. This program execute, that is the output display as a C. Now see, this cannot display the actually your addition. Now see here, why not display the addition? Because your print of C. Now what we'll do here to remove that curly bracket. Okay, again to execute that program now. Okay, now output display, that is a 11. Getting this is program is your execution. Now if you want to create the indentation, suppose mistakenly you have given space second line, that is this space you are given. See carefully, here a equal to 5 and second line you started from here b equal to 6. Mistakenly you have created this space, automatically error display unexpected error. Okay, remaining program as it is you keep as it is, that is c equal to a plus b, print c. Now then option, that is a go to for your run module and for F5 again to execute of this program. Now such type of error occur, unexpected indent. Now this error occurred unexpected indent, just like see here what why occurs such type of error, because of a equal to 5, then this space you have given here, that is see the red red space, red mark here, that is a display that is a unexpected end date. Okay, those are you already seen in your this experiment. Okay, that is such type of a space here, unexpected end date. That is in practically you again that is the unexpected error. Again suppose you again space given here, delete this space. Okay, and after that you are given this space here. Again you go to run of this, go to run module, press F5, otherwise go to run and run. Again occur error because unexpected error, because third line also not expect the indentations. Okay, then again you remove that space. You suppose mistakenly given space also here, that is indentation. Again display error C, such type of error, that is a unexpected indent. That means here indentation, that is a Python is a indentation is a role, play the role is important in Python, because whenever you want to give space or not give space in your program, that is defined by using Python. Remember one thing, in simple program, addition, subtraction, multiplication, if you want to doing this simple program, no need of any space in your program. That means your indentation error not occur. Okay, when now your question, when use of indentation in your Python programming. Okay, now we will see when required for the indentations. Okay, when need of such type of indentation. Now see same, we will see the another program. Go to new file and type your program for here. That is a again a equals to 5 and b equals to 6. Then again suppose here this example we will compare of the two numbers, a equal to 5, b equal to 6. Now give the comparison. If a greater than b, okay, then see now if I press the enter, will your cursor position now to jump to here directly. That means you need to type here whatever your message. If your condition given a is greater than b, then print a is a, okay, if a greater than b, then what is your message you want to print here? A is smaller A is smaller than, simply A is a greater in this message. A is a greater. After that, you simply write down else statement, that is a mention here. In this case, print. What is the condition in print? No condition given. That means by default condition is your b is a greater. Okay, b is greater. Now it is C here, greater for b is a greater. See after that your x. See after that you want to execute of this program. Okay, simply run this program. Now first again to indent 2.py, give the name of this program and run. Okay, this program invalid syntax. Such type of error to display invalid syntax. Why to invalid syntax? Because of here else. You need to define else here. Okay, that means here not require your indentations. Here you can use the indentations. Okay, now again run that program. Run F5. Okay. See, b is a greater. That means your a equal to 5, b equal to 6. Okay, that is a output of condition you have put. If a is greater than b, print a is greater, else print b is greater. Okay, now you see. Now suppose you are change the value of this. Suppose here assigning a equal to 6 and b equal to 5. Now again you can check your code is correct or not. Now in this case what happen, a equal to 6, b equal to 5, that is mean your second value is less, that means automatically is a, b is a is a greater message will be displayed. Again to run your program, this already saved. See, a is a greater. Why is it greater? Because you are already defining a value is a 6. Now here showing that is a greater. See here, that is a is a greater, that is correct. Because a value is, what is your a value? A value is your 6 and b value is your 5. See here, now in this case you want to create that is a indentation. How to indentation in this? That means this space is required mandatory here. Now see, suppose you are typing this print here directly, okay, that type here message to display indentation, there is a need of indentations. You cannot this loop or if statement to directly type program in this way. See now, if you type program in this way, your comparison of two numbers, automatically to display error of the system. That means in this program there is a mandatory use of your indentations. Now run module F5, then okay, see here, expected and indent block. That means in this program mandatory to expected indentation block. Why such a message to display? Because you cannot give any indentation and here required mandatory if else use any block of use, statement use, that time you need to assign that such type of a indentations. That is a message display. Okay, now you suppose given space here, okay, this is space because mandatory that space. Again you run that program, we will see what will be occur. Again to error display. Why? Because here also expected of indentation, that is the indentations, that is in this case indentation, that is a also for that print. Again for that you run, that means see now in this both the case, both the block, if and else you are given for the this indentations. Now your program now is successfully run. Now run module, okay, output display is a greater, correct. That means indentation, when in programming use of indentation and when not using programming indentation, that is a important. Okay, now getting all of, if there is a simple, I am again to repeat it this. See here, your simple programming just like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, such type of a programming do not require any indentations. If you are given the space in this program, automatically such type of a programs there is a indentation error display. Okay, now we are seeing this program as it is program run automatically to see once more times we are run this program automatically run of this simple addition program, that is a output display, that is a 11 here, see that 11, okay. Then you are suppose same program you are given for the some space, okay, that is these are you are given, and again you want to run, again error message will be displayed, that is a unexpected indent, here no required of indentations, okay. This is program for the indent, no required of indentation, but if a statement you mandatory required for your indentation, that is a this program, because it's a block of code use, that is a if and else, that is a one block use, that is you can mandatory use of your indentation, that is for if a is greater than b, your condition is applied, that's the reason you can do use of indentation. See that second program, b equal to 6, b equal to 5, if a greater than b, print a is greater, else print b is a greater. That means in this program, see now again repeat it. Suppose you are print type here and you run this, automatically to error message will be displayed. Expected an indent block, that means you mandatory given the indentation here, white space gives give to this here. Again same happen here with after else you cannot provide any space, again you can run again to display the error message, that is a print expected an indent block, that means mandatory to use for your source code to here, that means again to program if you want to properly use, that means if else statement you can provide the indentation. See here, output that is a, this output A is a greater. Okay, clear everyone? Remember, in any Python, any simple program, you do not require any indentations. And second thing of this experiment, that is a any loop, case statement, your switch statement, any for loop, do while, that such type of program you must give the your indentation, that is white space. Because block of code after you want to need of such a white space, that is called a indentation. That is a indentation plays a important role in your Python program. Getting everyone, you can practice for seeing that both the programs and to practice and solve such type of a multiple examples. Just like here, addition, subtraction, multiplication. That means you are the perfect in your Python programming, slow by slow. And after that, after executing all the programs, you can expert in your Python programming. Also, quiz available for this particular program. You can solve. If any query, then contact me. Thank you. Thank you for the attending lectures.